Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your AI agent to Dunback Meadow Marketplace for licensing. So other users could license the AI agent from you. Um, First, you go to dunbackmeadow.com. Assume that you have already logged in with your email address, and then you go to the main menu and click Upload, and you click Upload New. So since you have logged in, your basic information will be already here, pre-filled, including your email address, your wallet address, and your name that you have set up. Now you can give your website here if you have it, or you put it none if you don't have a website. Name of your content, which is your AI agent. Let's call it Leia. Give her temporary name, Leia, and the content category. That would be AI agent. Okay. So now, are you uploading the source code? Now, assuming that you have developed your AI agent for the purposes of licensing, not for selling it entirely, you would not upload your source code here. So leave this choice as no. Now, does your AI agent handle emails for users? Well, since the Dunback Meadow AI agent that we have developed can handle emails for users, and your AI agent could just call the Dunback Meadow agent to handle emails. So I would say you turn this on. You just take advantage of the Dunback Meadow AI agent to handle emails for your users. Select the avatar type for your AI agent. Now, the avatar type could be an image, could be a 3D model, or it could be a video clip. Let's say we pick an image for now. Now, for the users to be able to use your AI agent, you will need to give two webhook endpoints for Dunback Meadow platform to call, and also for your users to call. What serve as an interface, serve as a communication channel for your users and your AI agent. Let's say your domain name.com and webhook chat. Okay, so that's the webhook endpoint for your users to communicate with your AI agent. And then you also need to give another webhook endpoint for the Dunback Meadow platform to communicate with your agent for settings. Your domain name.com webhook and settings. Okay, so you give two endpoints for communications. Now, language, let's pick English, or could pick any language that you prefer, or you pick a language irrelevant. Location, let's pick the United States, or you can add your location if your location is not listed in this chart here. topics. Maybe your AI agent specialize in certain areas, and that will be reflected by the topics or keywords that you select. Okay, let's say your agent is about the gaming, uh, travel, education, health, whatever that your AI agent is mostly about, and you pick the topics here, or you can add your own uh, keywords. Let's say um, AI agent. You add this as a new category, or maybe you about let's say it's about the crypto. Okay, crypto, cryptocurrencies. You add this category and then you select it. It's whatever your AI agent is specializing. You add it here and then you select it. Um, Descriptions of your AI agent. So that's the specifications of your AI agent. Let's say, okay, um, this AI agent specializes in email handling. Okay, let's say email handling, and then and a bunch of specifications that we added here, descriptions, what your agent can do, what things to note, what you want the user potential buyers to know. You put it all here. Um, do you want to post your AI agent? Yes, you do, because if you want to sell licenses of AI agent, you have to post it so that people come to the Dunback Meadow Marketplace, they can see it. They can view it first, and they can go to the marketplace and buy the license. The first step is that you have to post it. Now, upload your content file. For AI agents, you upload the avatar file, and you also upload a poster image for the NFT. The NFT is the uh, non-fungible token that represents your AI agent. Okay, first we pick the avatar file. We said layer, so you pick a layer's image as the avatar, and also pick the same image as the poster file, the poster image. Okay, let's double check, see if you filled in everything. Okay, email, name, category AI agent. Does your agent handle emails? Yes. And the avatar type image, and then two webhook endpoints for communications with your AI agent. Language, topics and keywords, and descriptions, specifications, and yes, post the AI agent to the Dunback Meadow platform. Okay, then upload content. Now, after you click the upload content, you are given an ID for your agent. So you want to copy it and write it down somewhere. Let's say you paste it somewhere for now, and also an API key. You will need the agent ID and the API key for communications between the Dunback Meadow platform and your agent. So we took that down. So now we're all set. Now, if we go back to the main menu and go to my profile, and you can see that you have uploaded a layer and it is here. And now if you need to update it, if you forgot about something, you want to update it, you can click at the update button and you come back to this page again. Now if you want to change the name, you can do that. You want to change the locations, or change the topics, or add topics, or change the descriptions and the specifications, you can make it changes here. All right. Or you can also um, update the poster image. All right. So let's say you don't need to make any updates. You If you go back to upload section, and in the my creation section, so you can see um, the agent that you just uploaded. It shows up here, and it also shows up in your my profile in the main menu here. That's what you just uploaded. Now, and then you can check, see if it's really there. Click the view button. Yes, because you chose to post it. So it's posted. It's right here. And that's your AI agent. And this is the avatar you can see. All right. Now, of course, if you already have your agent running on your server, and you put the and you have set up the webhook endpoints, and then you can try it here. But since you have not set that up yet, this will not work just yet. But we just want to check, see, make sure she is in the platform, and we can see it here. Now, so we have got the agent ID and the API key. So we want to set that up in your agent's code. So we come to here. Let's say here is your agent code, right? So we just took down the agent ID and the Dunback Meadow API key. So you would put that in your environmental .env file, okay, and put it here, fill it in, and then when you come to your code, and you just use it from the .env file, okay, you set it up like this. Now remember, you had to give the two endpoints for communications between the Dunback Meadow platform and your users. And here in your code, see, here is the first webhook endpoint, webhook settings. And this is how the Dunback Meadow platform communicates with your agent. For settings, for example, if your user want to change your agent's name after he bought a copy of a license from you, he wants to change the agent name, and he does it through this endpoint. Okay. And also, at the time the user buys a copy of your license, and the user will be given a access key to your agent, and this is also done through the settings endpoint here, set user access key. All right. Now the second webhook endpoint is for the user to interact with your AI agent, and that's the webhook chat endpoint. The user would provide the user input, and the Dunback Meadow platform would also provide the IP address of the user, and the user's nickname, age, and other personal information, okay, including the favorite topics of the user, and also the user's wallet address, and also temporary session ID. Now all those information is given to your agent, so that your agent knows the user well and can customize the agent's uh, answers or suggestions to the user. Okay, so that's the webhook endpoints for communications between the Dunback Meadow platform and your agent, and between your agent's users and your agent. Now, let's say you have set up your code this way, so now it can work with the Dunback Meadow platform, and now you want to list your agent in the marketplace for licensing. How do you do that? So you go to the main menu again, you go to your my profile, and you come to your agent here. You find the list button here. Now, okay, before we do this, we want to make sure, go to main menu again and click wallet, because you have a wallet on the platform, your crypto wallet. You want to make sure you have at least 1.99 USDC in your wallet, because you need to pay a listing fee of 1.99 USDC before you can list anything. Okay, you make sure you have that money in your wallet. If you don't, then you can utilize the third-party service here to buy USDC with your credit card or with your bank account. Okay, you can use either Transact or use Gathering to buy the USDC. Once you bought the USDC here, and then you come back to my profile, and now you can list your agent in the marketplace. You click list. Now, because you want to list for licensing, so you click licensing here. Now, because you develop your AI agent, and obviously you own the agent and its associated rights, ownership rights, IP rights, and everything. When you let users to license a copy from you, you got to specify what rights you're giving them. So you need to choose a license type. You, for most cases, you want to pick non-exclusive. It's AI agent. You pick AI agent here. AI agent non-exclusive license. Now the platform provides all the templates for different types of licensing agreements or sales agreements. Okay, so you pick the non-exclusive license template, and it shows up here automatically. And you want to specify a term. Let's say you want to the licensing term to be 12 months, which is typical. And you want to specify a price, how much you want to sell for a 12 months license to the users. Let's say, well, it depends on how much function your agent is providing the users, how much utility you're providing. So that the price could be, could vary between agents and agents. Let's say you want to license your agent for $99, okay, depending on the amount of utility you're providing. And then you also want to review the license agreement. If you don't feel very sure about what rights you are giving to the users, you may want to ask your lawyer to review this for you before you list it. Okay. For the most part, this is based on the templates prepared by Dunback Meadow's lawyer. So for the most part, they're in good shape, but you do need to edit it based on your own needs, based on your own situations. Okay. and then this is a preview. If you make any changes here, in the first window, it's going to be reflected in this preview window here. Okay. You review it, double check it. If everything is fine, you scroll to the bottom here. Let's say you are all set with the terms, the agreement, and then you can click list. Okay. It says transaction in progress. This is all based on the blockchain, so it takes a while to finish the transaction. Well, it's actually pretty fast. So licensing listed successfully. All right. So now if we go to the marketplace, click trade. Yeah. So it does show up in the marketplace now. And if you click in, you can see that content listed for licensing, price 99 USDC per license, term is 12 months. Okay. And you check the other information. You remember you prepared the licensing agreement? It shows up here. You click in. So this is what your potential buyers going to look at. AI agent non-exclusive licensing agreement. Okay. And the NFT contract address, NFT token ID, which represent your AI agent, all right, and your wallet address here. And these are the terms. Your potential buyers will be looking at the terms, and if you are okay with the terms, with this agreement, and then can buy it from here by click the licensing button, all right? And so basically you have listed your AI agent in the marketplace, and now users can come over here and check it out, and check all the information, including reading the agreement, and then they can try it out here by asking a few questions to your agent and see how your agent works, and then they may decide whether or not to license it. Okay, so that's the process of how to upload your agent and list it in the marketplace of Dunback Meadow. Thank you for listening.